Hi there, this is Marshall Brown with the first episode of my brand new show, The Internet of Marshall. So the reason why I'm doing this new series on YouTube is because one of my professors for that class that I'm taking at Elon called The Internet of Things, good old Shannon Duvall. By the way, if you're watching this, I love you lots. I'm taking that class, and for all the projects we're doing, we're basically required to make a video demo of what we've done in class and share it on YouTube and post it for the grade. And I thought, hey, if I'm going to be forced to make video demos for a grade, I might as well have fun with it. So, taking inspiration from my little pilot episode that I made about the Photon Quick Draw game, which you can see right here if you haven't seen it already, I have decided to do my next and first episode based upon the next project we've been given, that being the Tweeting Pothole. Allow me to explain. On this article right here on fastcompany.com, there was an article that talked about how every time a car drives over this one pothole in Panama City, there would be this thing right here that tweets out that the pothole, feels horrible. This guy basically used the concepts of the Internet of Things to make this tweet out every time it's run over. And now the pothole's been fixed. So now I decided to make a bit of a recreation of that using our trusty, wusty photon particle thing right here on the breadboard with the button. So now, every time this button is pressed, almost as if every time a car runs over the pothole, a tweet will be sent out. And now, let's take a look at what this looks like. So, this is my Twitter handle, at mcbrown_for-the-win. You should totally follow me at if you get the chance. So here, you can see that, nothing unusual out of the ordinary. You'll know that this little experiment works if you see a new tweet that has the hashtag IFTTT. I mean, it'll look different because I'll reload the page on my handle, which you should totally follow me at, by the way. It'll be here. And as you can see, after reloading everything, the dashboard is empty. It'll have something once the button's pressed, running with the IFTTT recipe. So with that squared away, let's just keep it right here. Camera guy, can you get it to the photon? And let's do the demonstration. So, this is me for demonstration purposes. Oh, I'm just going for a leisurely stroll, don't mind me, and oh, I pushed a button. Oh, you see that? Right now, I just uploaded a tweet with the event name of push and the data name of tweet. If I go on my Twitter and I reload, hey, there it is. Somebody pushed my button, and with the hashtag IFTTT. So there you go. And it's pretty cool how Particle is work with the recipes here. It's actually pretty cool, if you go on the site and make your own recipes. You don't even have to own your own Particle device to work with this stuff. Look, I've even made another recipe where I just get an email if there's going to be rain in my area tomorrow. That is what I call convenience. So, as you can see, with the power of our photon particle device, we were able to get a tweet out with the push of a button, just like in the Tweeting Pothole article. Of course, you could get really creative with this, like having it say different things every time in accordance with the button presses on the particle code. You could also make it post with the recipes to different sites like Facebook or Google+. You could have it send texts or emails. You could do a whole lot of things with this, and quite honestly, I think I'm going to toy with that concept right after we finish up this video. But for now, thanks again for watching my first episode of the new series, The Internet of Marshall. If you like this, please subscribe because more episodes will be on the way. This is Marshall Brown, logging out.
Goodbye.